Polysius in Vietnam, part of the ThyssenKrupp Group from Germany, focusing on design and building of cement plants. And you can see the amount of rebar they're working with on some of these particular industrial heavily loaded structures. But they model all that as well. So we're not just modelling the main structural or the main concrete elements, the main steelwork elements, we're focusing on really the amount of detail that's in there as well. Every piece of rebar, and again you'll see from George's presentation soon coming up about the amount of information they can put to that model. And as I mentioned before, really the benefit is taking that model all the way through to the construction site, and that's when we now start to need all this information in there within the model. They're producing detailed civil and structural, producing fast, correct bills of quantities. These are the benefits that they're seeing from that particular model. The change management. If I go back to there, we're not producing several drawings of the column, we produce one model that shows that particular column, and then we produce as many drawings as we need from it. If we make a change, we change the column, and that updates the drawings automatically. We're not having to go through another 10 drawings to find exactly where that column is actually located. Bills of quantities coming automatically from that as well, making that easy communication to the team, minimising the amount of time and manpower. So just some of the benefits that you can see, and again, pick it up on the level of detail, that's what you can see within a particular model. Design coordination between the steel frame and how that connects to the rebar underneath it, not just with the concrete but with all the rebar inside it. How can we do real clash detection if we don't look at these particular elements? We find out when we get to the construction site and we try to put these holding down bolt arrangements in, we can't do it because there's too much rebar, we can't physically fit that in there. We're using the model in design to start to look at some of these potential problems that we're going to get on the construction site. And when you look at the cost of repairing some of these errors on the construction site, it's much easier to do that in the design environment than it is on the actual site. So again, some of the benefits, the quality, time and savings in the design side, again reducing those errors on the construction site, producing bids very quickly, accurately and competitively.